Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those belly bands using wax and wax seal for your junk journals. So I hope that you're happy and that you're inspired from the nature around you. Also, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and if you like, check the rest of my videos that are in my YouTube channel. I hope that this video today is going to be quick. I'm not sure, because every single time I promise that my videos are going to be very short and very quick, but sometimes it doesn't happen. I don't know why. So I'm going to use for today's craft and today's project, I'm going to use design papers. As you see, I've already cut them out. I'm going to use design papers from my Etsy shop, and they're available in my Etsy shop, but I'm going to put link below in my description box so you can check what kind of design papers that I used. So let's get started. I'm planning to show you the exact size of those circles if you want to repeat them. I used those dice, zigzag dice, and I used exactly this die here. If you have them, use them, but if you don't have them, I'm going to show you the exact size of these circles. It's 4.1 centimeters and in inches is 1.614 inches. I'm going to put the size in my description box if you want to repeat them. Of course, it's up to you. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller, depends of your stamp, because I know that there are little wax seal stamps, very little one. So if you have them, you probably would like to use a smaller circle. Never mind, I've already prepared my things. Oops, I've already prepared my things, as you can see, and I'm going to show you first how they will look on some old books that I have and junk journal that I never used. This one here. This is one of my first junk journal that I've ever create, but I'm not using it. It's completely blank. Usually when I'm making my junk journals and I'm not selling them, I'm not using them, I'm just keeping them blank. I don't know why. It's just like a hobby, because... So I'm going to show you how it's going to look like when you put it on junk journal. It's going to look very beautiful, like this. Or if you like to put them in some kind of vintage book, like this one. This vintage book is from my grandmother, and it's well, it's not so old. Let me just check. It's from 1975. Not so old, but I love it because it was a very favorite book of my grandmother. So I'm going to show you this beautiful belly band, how it's going to look if you put it on your journal, or probably in this direction or in some other direction, like this here, for example. Let me just show you. And it's going to look very beautiful, like this. And let me show you for the last one here. For example, I'm going to use it in this direction. Doesn't matter, you can use it at whatever direction you like. Okay. I think that looks elegant I don't know, what do you think? So they look like this. Let me just remove them for now and start showing you how you can make them. I've already, as I said, prepared my stamps and my circles and my spoon. I'm going to put few of those wax here, and I'm going to use, the reason why I'm using this candle is because it's more easy for me. So let me use it, and I'm going to let me just show you. And I'm going to use this so I'm going to wait to melt. And it's already started melting. As you can see, it's almost done. Okay, it is done. And I'm going to take one napkin and remove some of the wax here. Probably this is not the good way to remove your wax, but I'm cleaning my spoon like this. Okay, and let me check it. It's done, and I'm going to use some coloring marker to color my strawberries. And after this I'm going to show you. So this is going to be my front part of the, let me put out this candle. So this is going to be my front. Let me see how I'm going to put it. Okay, like this looks good. And I've already prepared my just remove ribbon. It's very long, so the idea here for the length of this ribbon is make it as long as possible if you want to wrap it one time or if you want to wrap it 2 times. I'm comfortable with this length. I don't know for you, you can use it shorter or you can make it longer. It's up to you again. But I'm comfortable, as I said, with this length of my ribbon. I'm going to show you. Okay, this. And the important thing is to find the middle. I mean, by eye, of course. You can measure it if you like, but I'm not going to do it. And this is the idea. Now this ribbon is trapped between those circles, so it's going to stay there forever. Yes. Let me take the same napkin that I used for my wax, for my spoon, and just remove this. So that's it. It's done. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was very fast, and if you have wax and wax seals, why don't you make it? Why not? Let me just show you the rest of the books. Also, as I'm thinking, you can put 2 together. They will look very interesting like this. Let me just put this one here, and I'm going to show you as an idea. If you want to be more colorful, I think like this, it looks very beautiful. I don't know, what do you think? So this is from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and Please, one more time, subscribe my channel and like this video. Also check the rest of my videos. And have an amazing day and have happiness in your life, because happiness and health is very important. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in my next video.